All right, Scotty, are you pulling out?
Yes, I'm pulling out for the first time in my life.
The valve cover, that is.
See if you can gently separate the gasket from the... I don't want to break the gasket if I don't have to.
I might even have a set of gaskets for this.
Hang on. The tab is still in it.
Fode.
First on race day, bitches.
All right, let's find out what the fuck these morons did. Wow, look at everything's really clean. Looks nice. Okay, what do we got, Scotty? Oh, we can't see it because, of course,
There's a baffle.
yeah, there's a baffle, which is there should be. Why? You can't even look at it. It's mushroomed out. Did they beat that on there?
Yeah. They probably couldn't get it to fit because they didn't know how to put it on. And they beat it on, so now it won't come off.
Great.
Yep.
So this stays in the valve cover.
This
and
stays,
just
yes,
comes
these
off.
are always
So,
in, and this just pops on and off, just like your 72.
okay. Yeah, mine has an extra little tube on it, but
Yeah,
we're
that's
gonna
the same
have
deal.
to.
Probably grab it with a pair of pliers wrapped. No, that's too much. But yeah, we'll grab it gently with a pair of pliers with a rag, and maybe we can twist it and try. I got a big old pair of channies, so let's give that a try in a minute.
Let's give it a shot.
Three amigos con huevos.
Do they honestly not know really how to put one of these things on?
It's downtown Shell. They don't know how to read.
Well, we found out the problem,
Yep.
so we're going to clean everything
The
up.
Three amigos con huevos. That's our name.
Okay,
That's our
now
new
you
name.
can see, if you look, it's got two tabs.
It's all bowed to
Yep.
shit.
And the tabs go on the inside. And they're meant... Now, don't get me wrong. These are pretty strong tabs.
Yeah,
they
but-
really are. They had them on the outside.
How the hell did they even?
And then they got locked into the ridge here.
How the hell did they even do that?
They probably beat the living
They beat
fuck
it on.
out of it.
They literally beat it on.
It should honestly just.
Yeah,
that's all it's supposed to do.
That's all you're supposed to do. And they're on
Here, and let's take this.
So they ruined that.
Yeah.
Well, it's still usable.
It's still usable, but
Joey's gonna have to get a new one eventually.
Yeah.
But we're gonna push these in, because I'm gonna take a little screwdriver and push those in so it frees them up a little. And then
oh my god.
we're gonna put the valve cover back.
All right, I'm going to clean everything up.
Get the valve cover, grab the gasket, put it in its little tabs, put it back.
It's actually, surprisingly enough, the gasket's still perfect.
It's because it's chrome,
Yeah, and
which surprises me when chrome shit
chrome
seals.
may not make it home, but
It looks good.
for something like this, I'm thankful that it's chrome.
Yeah, because if it was painted and
Oh, yeah,
original,
no way.
like if it was, but if it had the gold valve covers, the original would be. Oh, yeah. Grab that gasket and notice how. Pull it out first.
No. That gasket's still there. That gasket's perfect. If I touch it, I'm breaking it.
That makes
I'm not
sense.
taking any chances.
I totally get that. Wait.
Just kidding.
No, you're good. Get it on the tabs. There you go.
That's what I'm aiming at.
You got it. You got
I'm
it.
aiming, Daddy. I'm aiming.
Don't call me daddy.
Ooh, Poppy.
That's even worse. Dude,
Hey, wait a minute.
Hey,
He's
girl,
bigger than
any
me.
chick that has called me Poppy or Daddy?
Winds up being
fucking-
pregnant.
No.
No, they call all the
I
time
hate
when
it.
I worked in Roswell in Atlanta. I always got, hey, Puppy Chulo. Every time I changed a battery.
You fucking
Puppy Chulo.
Redheaded Irishman.
And I'd ask the girls. I'm
Actually,
like-
he's French-Canadian.
and Polish.
Oui. Well, that explains why
Yes,
I can't
please.
Well, this is true. You know, A.
read. Oh, no, eh.
Why do Canadians say A after everything they say?
He's a French-Canadian Polak.
Canada.
Oh, no, eh.
Hey, don't be such a hoser, huh?
Oh, no.
Hey, have you seen the Brother Bear DVD? Hey, what can I get for $1, eh? Hey, don't. Hey, hoser, I'm talking to you, eh?
Oh, my God. All right, so valve cover's going to go back on. Then Earl's going to go in it. And then this is going to go back on. And make sure that's actually fucking removable.
And make sure that the bolts are tight on the valve cover.
Oh, you mean like on the Falcon yesterday?
I went like this
Well, these are fine. It wasn't
and
leaking.
turned them off.
Oh, yeah. 2 of them on the Falcon yesterday. I get it with my finger.
You know, there's this whole section in these books, kind of like these, that have, what is it called? Torque specifications?
Yes. We deal with a lot of repairing stupid people's mistakes.
Yes.
I hate it. Anyway, Scotty's getting this.
Hated it.
Hated it.
Men on cars. Hated it. He said he had a big block. I bet he did.
Jesus Christ, Andre. All right, we'll be back.
Take 2, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, because Andre was singing inappropriate things. Look. It's going to go on. It's going to go on. Push down all the way. Come on, Scotty. Don't
It
be a
is.
bitch.
It's where it needs to be.
Okay, now pull it off. Put it back on all the way.
Hercules.
Now pull it off again.
Come on, in, out. You've done it.
You know the fucking trick. And look at that. Look what happens when you fix things.
Look what happens when you install them without being a douche.
Yep. Oil's in it. Everything's nice. Now we're going to tension up our belts.
Earl!
My name is Earl.
My name's Earl.
Can I
You
point
what?
something out?
Sure.
You're going to pull out? We don't pull out. Yeah, we got to tighten belts.
No. Is this...
That's correct.
Mm-hmm.
It's a bypass.
Well, I know it's a bypass, but it looks like it's almost a little pinched.
No, it's
like
not.
Like the hose is a little long.
No, it's
Okay,
all right.
I can't see the whole thing.
That part was perfectly fine, and it came off the car, and we just put fresh clamps on it.
Okay.
Because it had those factory-style
Well,
clamps
the reason why...
Good
is
eye, Andre, though.
because
We appreciate.
I just had my Mustang done.
Yeah.
And the dildo buttfuck who did it...
The fact that you call people that, but that's okay. Yeah,
He put it, and
The guy's a
the
dumbass.
hoses, you know how these are, when you buy them
Cut to fit.
aftermarket, they're cut to fit. Well, he put them on, and
they're all
2 of the hoses were
pinched.
bent at 90 degrees. I'm like, how the fuck is water supposed to go through that?
Duh.
He's like, well, I'm like, no, you cut to fit it, and you need to trim at least an inch off the upper radiator hose.
I can't afford to have an inch trimmed off, so stop talking about trimming inches.
Go over there and get.
I went in for my Jewish thing and they snipped the tip.
Oh,
But then again, women don't really want anybody that doesn't at least 10% off.
That's Jewish women, don't
Jewish
want-
women.
They don't buy
God.
anything.
Anyway, the dipstick, Scotty. The dipstick. It's over there.
Don't call him a dipstick. That's rude. Call him a fucktard. That's nice.
Oh my God!